Hello, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I am so happy to see you here today. My name is Sarah, and I create simple and easy English learning videos for you. In today's video, we are going to learn how to introduce yourself in English with confidence. This lesson will help you speak clearly and make a great first impression. If you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and join our family. I share new videos every week to help you improve your English step by step. So, let's begin.
Hello. It is very nice to meet you. My name is John. I would like to introduce myself to you.
Hello, John. It is also nice to meet you. My name is Sarah. Thank you for introducing yourself.
You are welcome, Sarah. When we meet new people, it is always good to start with our names. That makes the conversation easy and friendly.
Yes, that is true. After saying our names, we can also talk about where we are from. For example, I'm from the United States. I grew up in New York, but now I live in California.
That sounds interesting. I am from Canada. I live in Toronto, but my family is from a small town near the mountains.
That is a nice way to continue an introduction. After sharing our names and our country or city, we can also talk about what we do. For example, I'm an English teacher. I work at a language school, and I help students learn how to speak English with confidence.
That is wonderful, Sarah. I am a student right now. I study computer science at the university. I am in my third year, and I really enjoy learning about technology.
Very good, John. When we introduce ourselves, it is also nice to share some personal hobbies or interests. For example, in my free time, I love reading books, and sometimes I go hiking in the mountains. I also enjoy cooking new recipes.
That is a great idea. Let me try. I enjoy playing football with my friends on the weekend. I also like watching movies, especially action movies, and sometimes I practice photography because I like to take pictures of nature.
See, that makes the introduction longer and more friendly. It helps the other person learn more about you, and it also gives them a chance to continue the conversation.
Yes, exactly. For example, if you say you enjoy cooking, I can ask you what kind of food you like to cook. Or if I say I enjoy football, you can ask me what team I support.
That is right. Asking simple questions shows interest and keeps the conversation going. It is also polite to say phrases like, "Nice to meet you," or "It is good to know more about you."
I agree. Let me show a full example. Hello, my name is John. I am from Canada. I study computer science at the university. I like playing football and watching movies. It is very nice to meet you.
That was perfect. Now I will also give an example. Hello, my name is Sarah. I am from the United States. I work as an English teacher at a language school. In my free time, I enjoy reading books, hiking in the mountains, and cooking. It is a pleasure to meet you.
These kinds of introductions are very useful in many situations. For example, in school, at work, at a conference, or even when meeting new friends in a social place.
Yes. And remember, when you introduce yourself, you should smile and speak clearly. That makes people feel comfortable, and it also helps them understand you better.
That is very true. It is not only about the words we say, but also about our body language. If we stand with confidence and make eye contact, people will feel positive about our introduction.
Exactly. And do not worry if your English is not perfect. People will still appreciate your effort, and they will be happy to know you.
So, to practice, again, hello, my name is John. I am from Toronto, Canada. I am a student of computer science, and I like football and photography. It is nice to meet you. And I will say, hello, my name is Sarah. I am from California in the United States. I am an English teacher, and I enjoy reading and hiking. It is wonderful to meet you.
And I will say, hello, my name is Sarah. I am from California in the United States. I am an English teacher, and I enjoy reading and hiking. It is wonderful to meet you.
That is a great example, Sarah. Thank you for practicing with me.
Thank you too, John. I hope our conversation helps learners understand how to introduce themselves in English with confidence. See you next video. Bye for now.